Hey, my name is Jared. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the SONGMICS foldable Ottoman. This chest does a great job of managing a lot objects that take up a lot of space. Individuals that have lymphedema, they have to use a compression pump, and this chest can actually adequately hold this device very easily. It can hold up to 660 pounds, so it can definitely hold a lot of weight. The material is pretty tough, and there are a variety of materials that you can choose and colors as well. It doesn't take up too much space here, and it's very easily you can easily access it and open up the lid to put the any items that you want in there. I was actually surprised because it didn't look to me like this was something that could be opened, and it really surprised me that you can open it and store items in there. Once again, I highly recommend this, and I hope you enjoy it.